Welcome back to Budget Boxer. Today we're unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I have it in the dark blue color. Now what I want to show is how simple the unboxing is, and also just what's really changed about the physical appearance of the phone. So you'll notice it has this new look to it. It's pretty much similar for the most part, but the biggest change comes in the charging port. So as you can see here, the cable is now braided, so it's no longer all plastic, and it's USB-C on both ends, so you can use either side, and you can also charge other devices, which is cool. If you look at it, it has a more brushed look to it, and the buttons are a lot more clicky than before, so that's really nice. The bottom has the USB-C, as you can see here, as well as the speakers, microphones, and other things. The power button is pretty much similar, same with the antenna, and the back just looks slightly different, but it feels more matte than it used to, the way it's etched. So the screen is pretty much similar for the most part, and I'm really excited to use it, so I hope you enjoy it.